Hi there. Today we're answering one of the most fundamental questions in aviation. How do airplanes fly? You might have wondered, how do planes lift off the ground and stay balanced in the air? The answer lies in aerodynamics and basic physics. Let's explore it together. First, let's talk about lift. Airplane wings have a special shape, curved on top and flat on the bottom. Air flows faster over the top of the wing, which lowers the pressure. The bottom of the wing has higher pressure. This pressure difference pushes the plane upward. In other words, the plane uses the air to rise into the sky. You can even demonstrate this with a simple experiment. Blow air over a paper strip and watch it lift. This is a small example of Bernoulli's principle. Lift alone doesn't make a plane fly. There are four main forces. Thrust, the engines push the plane forward. Drag, air resists the plane's movement. Weight, gravity pulls the plane down. Lift, created by the wings to push the plane up. When these four forces are balanced, the airplane flies smoothly. Wing design is crucial for flight performance. Passenger planes usually have long, narrow wings to save fuel on long distances. Fighter jets have short, wide wings for higher maneuverability. At the tip of the wings, there are small extensions called winglets that reduce drag and make the flight more efficient. Planes don't just stay in the air. They also need to control their direction and balance. There are three main control surfaces. Elevator moves the nose of the plane up or down. Ailerons move the wings up and down to turn the plane. Rudder controls direction from the tail. In summary, four main forces make a plane fly: lift, thrust, drag, and weight. Wing design and control surfaces determine how stable and maneuverable the plane is in the air. Have you ever wondered why planes fly more carefully in windy conditions? This shows how important aerodynamics and pilot skills are. If you want to see more videos about aerodynamics and airplanes, make sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. See you in the next video, and may the sky be with you.